Hi, this is Nick with the Jenkins Group, powered by eXp Realty, and today I'm going to give you an update on what's going on in our June market. So in June, we're seeing a lot of new listings hitting the market, but supply and demand are really kind of keeping up with one another, so we're not actually seeing a lot of that inventory sit on the market. In fact, inventory levels have remained pretty much flat throughout the month so far. That's because demand is actually keeping up with the increase in supply. With those new listings, they're actually getting purchased just as quickly as they're coming on the market. So what does that mean? That means also that days on market is also continuing to go down. So homes are selling quicker than they were last month, down from about 28 days in King County and 25 days in Snohomish to 24 and 22. So just falling a little bit further. Homes, like I said, are getting purchased pretty much as quickly as they're coming on the market. Additionally, homes are finally now at the point where they're actually selling for 100% of their list price on average in both King and Snohomish County. We had been just a little below that where sellers were having to make concessions more often. And we've reached that kind of tipping point where on average, sellers are not having to make concessions. Now, if your house has been sitting on the market for some time, then you need to, of course, take into account the specifics of your situation. This is just the average. So some sellers are getting more than their asking price and some are getting less. On top of that, we're seeing prices go up in King and Snohomish County both. King County went up about 1% month over month, and Snohomish County went up about 5% month over month. We'll continue to watch that trend. It looks like that's probably going to continue given how quickly homes are selling. The fact that inventory remains very low is going to help contribute to prices continuing to go up probably through the rest of the summer. That being said, just last week, the interest rate did jump a little bit on average up to 6.7, 6.8%. That may change between now and the time that you're seeing this video, but we'll have to keep an eye on the interest rate and see how that affects the demand in the market as well. So if you're on the buyer side of the transaction and you're looking at a home that's just come on the market, likely be prepared that you might have to, compete for that listing at this point because inventory is so limited. But if you've seen something that's sitting around on the market for a little bit longer, there's probably a good opportunity to negotiate it. So really, it's a pretty balanced market at the moment. And for sellers, we do have very limited inventory, so your home has the opportunity to stand out. The summer is the time when there's a lot of demand. So it could be a really good time to put your home on the market and get it sold pretty quickly. Of course, as always, real estate is a very unique situation with every single home. So if you have questions about your unique situation, feel free to reach out using the information below. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.